Hello, my name is Shingis and I build projects using NPM. And this tool is absolutely needed for everybody who's building the same. So let me demonstrate to you npmscan.com. Why it's good. We know that there are so many threats, malwares within the NPM packages. If not within the package, then dependency of the package. And we also know that so many drainers are being going on, so many malwares that are affecting the open source community. So my mission is to protect the open source community of NPM environment at least. And here are the examples. For example, we have this event stream package being broken. We had this more packages in the timeline listed. You can read it once you go to npmscan.com. But let me just go through the functionalities. So here we have two main functionality: scan the package and analyze your package.json. So scanning your package is same as npm registry. It is the same thing. You can just put anything here. For example, next. So here it's from my cached. I can just put React, for example. It's gonna search for it, or just next, which is used by many developers. Yeah. So here we go. The next. In this page, you don't see much going on, right? It's just this page. The magic happens when you click on the package that you want. So here we can just see some info. So once we click the package, the magic happens. Instead of showing you the raw numbers like weekly downloads and last published, will show you in a UI friendly way. It's friendly to your eye, so you don't need to like calculate like what day is it. Is weekly downloads a good number? So we just put the tiers for you. Green means it's good to go, right? It's in your consciousness. So package info like license it doesn't matter, right? We have some links info and the stars amount. Then we have this stuff which is who is the maintainer, the most important. We see that maintainer is literally 10 years on GitHub, which is Versal, and he has like some followers, some repos. It's based in USA, and we see the top contributors. We can also click each of them and view it. Uh, Basically, also we have the recent commits. So by reading the recent commits, we can see, for example, which commit seems to be suspicious, right? Because if someone hijacks the npm package, he's gonna put some sketchy commit, like some sketchy commit, right? You're gonna notice it immediately, at least if the hacker is like stupid enough. Also, you can see the recent issues. So, for example, if AI cannot understand that this is a malware, the AI behind NPMScan or in the ChatGPT, whatever, you can at least see the recent issues that people are raising. So if people raise some issue, you can see like, okay, like this guy just raised an issue and it's not recognized by LLM. So probably it's a virus. Let me just roll back, for example. Just keywords, doesn't matter really. And then we have the security vulnerabilities list to known. This is, for example, very important. Authorization bypass in the Next.js middleware, right? The versions. And then we can see the full details as well. For example, let me just see the here. It means that you know, whether you have login, sign up, you can bypass it in these versions. So it's really crucial, right? So you can see the links as well to related issues. All right, so this is all on the npmscan.com functionality on the scan page. Let me go to the analyze page now. Analyze package.json. Okay, and let me just go through the npm registry to say like, look, here we just have numbers. Okay, we don't really understand. Like someone who is a beginner will not understand, or maybe like you know, just like raw numbers. We don't have any info about like who is the maintainer, how old is he, like what's his reputation, right? We don't have any issues, any commits, any this pull request info going on. But to view that, we need to go to the GitHub itself and then check the maintainer. Like, okay, this is Versal. Like this. We need to check like this. Then we need to go to recent comments here. Then we need to click on issues. It takes so much time, right? When everything is in one page for you in npmscan.com. Okay, so let me go to the next one. So here, using ChatGPT, I generated some old package.json that has vulnerabilities. So I'm just gonna copy this and then paste it here for npmscan.com to analyze. So it's gonna analyze now. And we can see that we have 15 packages and 39 vulnerabilities and 15 outdated packages that are not maintained anymore. We can see each of them. For example, this needs to be, this is outdated minor. It means like it's just outdated, can still be used. I see like everything here is just a low. Okay then. But sometimes you have like really huge like vulnerabilities, right? For example, on Next.js, the authorization, it's really like important. So yeah, what you need to do is literally just paste your package.json here. You don't need to share any code this because package.json is not your code, it's not your source code. We're not gonna steal it. And you don't have any risk actually. You just to check is benefit for you. You don't risk anything. You don't need to pay anything. So yeah, this is all on my side. And hope you guys like it because personally I would use it every day, like for every project, whether it's legacy or new project, because you never know. So yeah. All right, guys, then see you in the next video.